Today we chase the purple buntet, wrapped in leaves, packed with soul. First stop, Cái Răng, where breakfast floats.
Thank you. We just picked them this morning. We have the freshest coconuts too. We'll eat later. Right now we need leaves and rice.
How much for the mangoes?
100,000.
In the Delta, you buy with a smile first.
Southern-style bánh tét uses sticky rice as the star. Dry, clean, and bright, this makes the filling creamy.
This leaf is the magic. Purple without paint.
5 essentials. Now we find a family kitchen to wrap.
Now that we are back from the wharf, let's prepare this wonderful meal with the freshest ingredients from the Mekong Delta.
Behind simple doors, serious skills.
Wipe until it shines, like this. Now watch the folding technique carefully, it must be tight.
Clean leaves, clean flavor.
Purple blooms in the pot, like ink from a leaf.
This is the moment it becomes bánh tét lá cẩm. Smooth beans, so the slice looks clean.
Now the art. Roll, compress, and tie.
Leaf orientation for better sealing.
A perfect slice starts right here, straight and centered.
Tight roll, no air pockets.
Pinch the ends tightly and fold inward. This ensures a neat seal and prevents any leaks during boiling.
One knot sets the spine of the bun.
Even spacing equals even cooking.
Flavor.
Low and steady, like the river.
While it boils, we'll chase the sweet version too.
Sweet bánh tét start with the ripe banana.
These are the best ones for the bánh tét, madam. Yes, they feel perfect. I will take this bunch.
And richness to sweet sticky rice.
Fresh pandan leaves,
Very fragrant.
coconut for body, pandan for that clean perfume.
Here are the ingredients for our sweet treat. Fresh sticky rice, pandan, coconut, and banana.
This is the real soundtrack of bánh tét. She says the knot shows your character. We cook through the night. Now comes the truth. Listen, tight and heavy, that's a good sign.
Three logs, three moods. Every slice stays proud. First, free the leaf.
Look at that violet.
Pure leaf power.
Whoa.
That center line is the whole craft.
This is our traditional layered dessert. Look at the beautiful purple rice and the creamy mung bean paste. It's perfectly sticky.
Chewy, coconut smooth, and that bean layer.
Pickles cut the richness. Delta logic.
Same technique, different personality.
Now the sweet one, banana hiding inside.
Banana turns jammy, like dessert built in.
Chewy rice, creamy coconut, and that banana candy.
Fried bánh tét is a whole new level.
Purple outside, gold underneath. Perfect.
Coconut cookie but chewy. Bánh tét isn't just holiday, it's daily fuel.
A log of bánh tét is a message. I thought of you.
Every family has their own knot.
Loose wrap cooks uneven. Tight wrap cooks true.
One leaf adds 3 flavors of cần thơ.
Next, the pro move that keeps the log perfectly round.
Rain makes bánh tét feel even warmer.
Chào chị, cảm ơn nhiều. Cảm ơn nha.
In the Delta, food is how you say hello. First slice goes to the elders.